Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I wanted to get some soft, durable kitchen towels that won't scratch plates or pans, and also is quick drying and lint free. So I decided to get these. These are also super water absorbent, which is really cool because of that herringbone design. This is the Zeppoli 15 classic kitchen towels, and I got the white with blue stripes because I thought that looks pretty classy and cool. This one actually has a little mark on it. I think that's as long as it didn't get damaged, I could probably rub it off. Yeah, it comes off. Very cool. So, anyways, nice white and blue design, and these are pretty large. They're 14 by 25 inches, which you could use as placemats for your dinner table. But with 15 of them, it makes a very good placemat. You just fold them in half. We're also gonna take a few of these and make them into a smaller towelettes or towels because they are so absorbent and so useful. I want to use them as dishcloths, so we could basically clean it with these as well or dry things as well. Again, lint free and stuff. It does, if it's dry, it resorbs very well. We're going to go ahead and use our brother sewing machine and make these into smaller ones by adding a seam to each side of it after we're cutting into corners, into quarter bits. So really well stitched and sewn. The herringbone cloth is really cool. You could, for washing, you just dump this in the washing machine and tumble dry it. It's really cool. You can use a little bleach if you want. But overall, really good design. How much water does it absorb? It absorbs quite a bit. In fact, I'm planning to use this to replace my pair of towels for some of the usage and in the kitchen and stuff, because it basically take about a few ounces of water pretty quickly. And of course, it fills up the entire design and is also very flat. It takes up minimal space and it doesn't really shrink after washing. So it also soaks up water very quickly, and the design's pretty nice. With all this reuse and stuff, we'll probably save a lot of money on paper towels, and it's pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.